Hello students, so this video lecture I am going to start first problem from primary distribution method. The modern companies divided into the four departments P1, P2 and P3 are producing departments and S1 is a service department. The actual cost for a period are as follows. So here is given some information relating to the all four department. Rent 1000, repairs, depreciation of plant, employees liabilities for insurance, number of supervision, fire insurance in respect of the stock, power, lighting. The following information is also available in respect of the four department. Here is given some information adjustment relating to the four department. Area is given, number of employees, direct wages, value of the plant, value of the stock and HP machine. So area, it can be distributed to the all four department. Number of employees is given, direct wages and the value of the plant, but value of the stock it given only to the production department, not for the service department. So let us begin the problem. So first we need to understand basis of apportionment. So here is rent amount is 1000. So here is 1000, we can't be distributed to the only one department. We will distribute it to the all four department, that is 3 producing department, 1 service department. So rent is always be on the basis of area occupied. How much is the area occupied? It is already distributed. P1, P2, P3, these are the producing department. It can be take 1500, 1100 and 900, but service department only 500. So on this basis we have to distribute it to the rent. Next, repairs. So repairs is total repairs is 600. We will distribute it on the basis of value of the plant. So here is given 3 producing department, 1 service department, that is 24,000, 18,000, 12,000, 6,000. We will remove all the zeros, then it can be easily to find out the ratios. Then it can be, we will distribute it to the 600 on the basis of value of the plant. Depreciation of plant, again it should be same value of the plant. Employees liabilities for insurance. Here is employees liabilities, it is relating to the employers, so it can be take number of employees point. Next, number of supervision, again number of employees ratios, and fire insurance in respect of the stock, it is relating to the value of the stock, so it can be took value of the stock basis. Only 3 producing department, service department it is not given. Next, power is 900, so power is on the basis of HP machine. Next, lighting. So lighting is area. If it is given for the number of light points, we will took that only, otherwise area square feet. So apportion the cost to the various department on the most equitable basis. Regarding this problem, we will do the primary distribution method. So first we have to start overhead distribution primary summary. So particulars column, basis of apportionment, total column, 3 producing department P1, P2, P3 and service department is S1. First we will write for the overhead expenses. First, rent is 1000. Rent total amount is 1000. Rent is on the basis of area square feet. So here is given area 1500, 1100, 900 and 500. We will remove all the zeros, then we can take the ratios. It comes 15:11:9:5. 15:11:9:5. Total is 40. So 1000 we will distribute it to the all 4 department. Then it comes 1000 into 15 divided by 40, 375. 1000 into 11 divided by 40, 275. 1000 into 9 divided by 40, 225. 1000 into 5 divided by 40, 125. Next, repairs. So repairs is total amount is 600 on the basis of value of the plant. So here is value of the plant is 24,000, 18,000, 12,000, 6,000. We will cancel all the zeros, then it comes 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 6 threes are, 6 fours are. So that is the ratio is 4:3:2:1. Total is 10. So 600 we will distribute it to the all four departments, same as it is. Next, depreciation of plant. Again it should be same. Value of the plant 4:3:2:1. 450 we will distribute it to the all four department. Then employees liabilities for insurance. Employees, it is relating to the number of employees. So how much is the number of employees? 20, 15, 10, 5. So we will take 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 threes are, 5 fours are. So then it comes 10. 150 we will distribute it to the all four department. It comes 60, 45, 30, 15. Next, number of supervision. Total is 1500. We will write the total column is actual total is 1500. Here 1500 we will distribute it on the basis of number of employees, that is 4:3:2:1. Then it comes 600, 450, 300, 150. Next, fire insurance. Again value of the stock. Value of the stock is given only 3 producing department, 15,000, 9,000, 6,000. So then it comes the ratios is 5:3:2. So service department nil. So 500 we will distribute it to the value of the stock, that is 250, 150, 100. So next, power. Power is HP machine. So how much is the HP machine is 24, 18, 12, 6. So we will easily to distribute it to the power on the basis of HP machine, that is 900 on the basis of HP machine. It comes 4:3:2:1 ratio. Then we will distribute it to the all four department. Next, lighting. Lighting is area occupied. We will already take the ratios 15, 11, 9, 5, 40. Total is 40. 120 we will distribute it to the all four department. So I think we already took the all the overhead expenses. Then one is very important, we will also took the direct wages, direct expenses, direct wages, direct expenses and the direct materials. If it is given for the direct wages, direct expenses and the direct materials, we will took on the actual basis. Here is given only one, that is direct wages. So direct wages, actual basis, how much is the direct wages? See, direct wages is, it is given service column. We will took only from the service column. So service column is 2000. So here we will write for the total column is 2000, and same as it is 2000 we will also write for the actual basis. We will show it also 2000 rupees from the service department. So we will not distribute it to the production department. Is it clear? So the once we have to finish it, then we will take the total column 7220. Next, P1 2110 and P2 1538 and P3 1072 and S1 is the 2500. For confirmation we will also take the total from the 4 producing as well as the 1 service department. There is a 4 department, we will took the total, then it comes 7220 rupees. Is it clear? I hope you can understand. Thank you, students.